everyone, thank you for joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we will be going through how to process superannuation payments for under 18 employees. Let's jump right in. Before we start to change how you change it in the Wagemaster, first of all, you need to understand if you do have an under 18 employees who are working in the farm or in your business, they're not entitled to get paid superannuation unless they work at least 30 hours in a week. But if you, even though they work less hours, if you would like to process superannuation for them, you can do that in the program. So let's have a look where you need to change the settings. So first of all, if you do have many or like few under 18 employees and would you like to change this for everyone, you go into file and open company details and click on other and the superannuation option. So it says superannuation calculation. So the superannuation guarantee minimum eligible age is 18. Now you can reduce this to 16 or less than 18. So all the 18 employees will get the employer contribution superannuation. So at the moment it is 11%. Or if you have few under 18 employees, or in this case let's assume if you got only one under 18 employees or the rest are full-timers, they will and above over 18, but would you like to pay this employee superannuation as well? So in that case you can leave this option as minimum eligible age as 18, but if you need to change it, you go into employee. Let's say for example Brian is my under 18, let's assume, even though he is not in this case, but go into superannuation. So you will see the current super fund details as here and the type. So it says the employer award, but see the contribution type is employer compulsory based on their award. So based on their award it won't accrue any superannuation because they are under 18. Now what you have to do, just need to create an ad. Just put the fund name, let's say rest or member number 12345, and the contribution type employer additional contribution, and this one has to be voluntary and the amount is percentage. Currently we in 11% superannuation. Just put 11% and tick on include on ATO payment summary. Now what this do, even though he is not entitled to get paid super, it will be an additional employer contribution as based on 11%. So based on number of hours they work or the gross earnings, program will calculate 11% superannuation on every payslip. So this is where you can decide if you do want to change for all the under 18 employees. You don't need to worry about changing this one. You can go into file company details, change the minimum eligible age for superannuation to less than 18 and you can leave it. But if you do have only one particular employee would like to pay superannuation and he is under 18, this is where you can change it. Alrighty, thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-to-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us this video like if you're enjoying it. Have a great day. Thank you.